Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now when you have leftover rice at home, you're probably wondering what do you do with that? Sometimes it gets wasted or you don't do much. But today I'm going to share one recipe where you can make delicious pakodas using rice. Now it's very simple. So let's get started and check out the recipe. To a large bowl, take 2 cups of leftover rice. If you have any rice leftover from the previous day, you can try this recipe. It's a very interesting recipe. Next to the rice, add 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 medium-sized green chilies chopped, a piece of ginger finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, a few curry leaves finely chopped. So you can see we've chopped all the ingredients nice and fine, and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. So gently mix everything together along with the rice. Next I'm going to add all the spice powders, starting with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing or asafoetida, 1 teaspoon salt. Now you can adjust the salt according to your taste. So we're going to bind all these ingredients together. For this I'm adding 1/2 cup of besan or gram flour, and to give a nice crunch I'm adding 1/4 cup of rice flour. So if you don't have rice flour, you can also do it just with besan, that is the gram flour. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Now mix everything together. So you can see when you start mixing everything, it all binds together beautifully. The rice starts holding shape. So you can check for seasoning at this point, and if you want to add a bit of salt, you can add before you start making the pakodas. Just dab a little oil on your palms. It will be easier while you roll because the rice mixture can be a little sticky. So this way it's easier to roll. So take a little bit of the mixture and shape it to desired shapes. You can make them round or you can make them like fingers. So I'm going to make them like fingers here. Not too thick or too thin, just to a medium sized finger shape. So this is good enough. So I've rolled all the rice mixture to nice finger shape. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, gently drop in the prepared fingers. Cook the rice pakodas on low flame because these have to cook through. Deep fry them till you get a lovely golden brown color. So now you don't have to worry about any leftover rice. You can make these delicious and crispy rice pakodas. So there you go, here are these delicious and crispy hot rice pakodas. So next time if you have any rice left over, don't let it go wasted. Try these pakodas and you can enjoy it with some nice ketchup or coconut chutney by the side.